Indeed, I'm confident that we will rebuild, and we will rebuild better than before. And I also want to just thank all of you for coming out to this event. You could have chosen to be elsewhere, but you have chosen to participate in this ceremony. It is an important exercise in the restoration of normalcy. Yes, we could decide to stay home and be depressed about our conditions. But we could also decide to say, you know what? Even if I don't have any water, or, you know, some of my Sunday best was destroyed, or I probably can't find a proper pair of shoes, I'm going to try to return as quickly as possible to normalcy.